Hello students, today in this video we are going to learn about this chapter, area of parallelograms, uh, chapter 9, and triangles. So we learn about areas of parallelograms and triangles here. So we'll have an introduction here. We know what is area. We know what are congruent figures. If they have the same shape and size, they are called congruent figures. Okay. So if these two have the same shape and size, then they are said to be congruent figures. Okay. Then we'll learn about here figures on the same base and between the same parallels. Okay, we know what are parallel lines. Two lines which are equidistant from each other, that means they do not meet each other, then those are called parallel lines. Okay, and when we are saying same base, if you look at here, these figures are standing on the same base. So if you look at here, this DC is the base where this AB CD, okay, is standing on that base, and then you can see this DE, this DEFC also standing on the same base, DC, okay, this DC. Then this PQRS and MNRS, they are standing on the same base, RS. Then this triangle ABC and triangle BDC are standing on the same base, BC. And here you can see the triangle PDC and the parallelogram, you can say, or quadrilateral ABCD is also standing. They are both standing on the same base, DC. Okay, so this means, now what we are learning is does it mean when we say figures standing on the same base. Now the other part, standing between the same parallels. Okay, now if you see here, they are standing on the same base, but this DC and this AF, they are parallel. They are standing on the same base, SR, and the parallel lines are PN. This is BC, and then this AD is parallel and standing on the same base. They are standing on the same base, DC, and between the parallels, this AP and DC. So what you can see here, this line and this line, they are parallel. This line and this line, they are parallel. This and this, they are parallel. This and this, they are parallel. And then you can see they are standing on the same base. Okay, this one DC, SR, BC, and DC. Now when we are saying standing on the same base, now if you look at here, now if it has been like this, say this is AB, okay, and then we are drawing the figures like this, say this one, this, and the other figure here, but it moves till here, C. So this, say EF, so this AEB is standing on the base AB, but this AFC is standing on the base AC. So we cannot say they are standing on the same base, AB or AC. Okay, I suppose you understood this. What does it mean when it is on the same base and between the same parallels? Okay, so some are there. This one, they are standing on the same base, this QR. Here they are standing on the same base, HG, but they are between the same parallels also. But remember, this D is not on this parallel line, this one. So we cannot say they lie on the between the parallels. Okay, you cannot say. That means it has to be on that parallel lines. That means all the vertices, or we can say sides, should belong or lie on the parallel lines. So here you can see this EF and this HG is parallel, but this MN and R not on this EF. So we cannot say they are between the, they lie between the same parallels, but they lie within the region between the parallels, but not lie between the parallels. We cannot say like that. Okay, it is given here. You cannot say this triangle PQ and DQ are lying between the same parallels L and QR. Okay. Here also you cannot say they are lying between the same parallels. That means this one and this one, but they don't have the same base. If you see, one have this BC and the other this FB or BF, so they don't lie on the same base. Okay, here also you see these two, probably this line and this line are parallel. Okay, but this triangle has base BC, this triangle has base PC, but this one has PS as the base, so they are not standing on the same base. If required, you have to rotate your copy also and check. Okay, then we have the exercise here. Try to do the exercise by yourself, okay, which I will give you the answers. Okay, try to see your ask they lie on the same base and between the same parallels or not. So this one we can say yes, this one no, because MN doesn't lie on this PQ. Here it is true because base is this one and the parallels are this one. Here also it is false, not required, because although this R this they to lie on the parallels, but this PQ is the base and for this one BC is the base. Here it lies because this is parallel to this line and standing on the same base AD. It is true, and this is false. Okay, why? Because they don't stand on the same base. And then we'll head on to the try to write this exercise by yourself, and then we'll head on to the other part of this chapter. Thank you.